Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change email on ELSA Speak. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and tap open your ELSA Speak application from your app drawer to get started. From the main homepage, once you log in, go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. From the profile page, tap on your name. From the settings page, tap on Edit your profile right under your display name. Tap the Edit button right next to the email address and enter your password that you're currently using for your ELSA Speak account in order to confirm yourself. Once you enter the password for your ELSA Speak account, tap on Done at the bottom. From this page, you can now change your email address. Type in the new email address you would like to change to into the email address text box at the top. Once you are done, head over to the password field and enter your current password for your ELSA Speak account to confirm your identity. After you are done, tap Done at the bottom. Tap on OK in the pop-up to save your changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your email address changed. That is how you can easily change your email address for ELSA Speak. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.